We are here at Chimney Rock State Park in North Carolina. I'm gonna show you the rock up there. Okay, that's where we're headed, okay? Up there, we're gonna take the elevator. It's so pretty out there. I've never been here before. So you get here, there's plenty of parking, and you get this view right off the bat here. How beautiful is that? And then we get some beautiful rocks, and that is where we are headed. And there is an elevator, so we're going to take the elevator. And there's handicap parking over here. Let's see what they have over here. So they have a sky lounge, gift shop and deli, elevator. We're gonna head there in just a moment. Plenty of rocking chairs, bathrooms over there. Hi. How are you? Good. T-shirts and hats, all kinds of little souvenirs. Heading to the elevator. We do have a map, and the map looks just like that, so we have a small version of that. That's pretty cool. Really quick. Oh, see? I thought it looked like it was in a movie.
Yeah.
That was filmed up here. Blue Chimney. That's where we're going. That's where we're going. This is Lake Lure Lookout. Straight out there. Out there is Lake Lure. And that's where we park down there. And that is where we're going. Cool. To the chimney. Straight up those stairs. See where these rocks are. You can pay to look out through the binoculars. That's like cool. Out there. At the top where the flag is. There's the... Oh, it's amazing up here. Wow. Yes, this is only about an hour drive from Greenville, South Carolina. There are 6 trails out here, all skill levels, picnic areas, bathrooms. The elevation to Chimney Rock is over 2,280 feet. Be sure to go up to Devil's Head and see the balancing rock and the 400-foot waterfall called Hickory Nut Falls. This park is open every day, 8:30 to 5:30 p.m.